Hi everybody, the college professor here. Today I'd like to give you a tour of my desktop. I teach remotely, so my desktop setup is critical. I have to have the equipment in the right place, the equipment working, and backups where necessary for those technical glitches that may happen. So let's get started. So the first thing is my tripod. I use it for holding my iPhone if I need to record videos. I have a charger for my wireless headphones, my speaker, so sometimes I like to run my Bluetooth connection to have the audio going through the speaker, my trusty Superman mug full of much needed coffee, a nice little motivational sign from my wife, and we have green plants, live plants. That's an aloe vera plant that's doing quite well, keeping me company. I have a Dell monitor with a webcam connected through USB. So it's just a cheap Dell, but it works quite well with my Mac Mini. I have a backup plugged in headphones. The Mac Mini has some Bluetooth connection issues, but we'll talk about that in a moment. As well, I have my keyboard. As well, I have my Apple trackpad, and that's great. That works very well. I also have a plugged in mouse, just in case the Bluetooth gives some issues. I have the Mac Mini. I'll give you a review on that later on. I have a bag here full of my dongles should I need to connect things. So this is really handy. It has all my different dongles, and I'll give you a tour of that later on. A nice whiteboard so I can just mark down things that I need to do for my class lessons. And lastly, a little notebook and a calculator. Even though we use a lot of Excel in the courses, it's always good to have a calculator to crunch numbers quickly. And that's it. So that's my desktop setup.